paragraph 65 of your 92 tourist statement, P444, you refer to Mr. Sharonich describing Serbs as a cancer on the stomach of Croatia. Can you describe this for the court and what you understood this reflected about his views concerning the continuing presence of Serbs in Croatia?
Well, once the Serbs had left Croatia, neither Tudjman nor the senior people in his government wanted the Serbs to come back. And Šarinić was, in many ways, a cipher for Tudjman. Šušak and Granić had their own personalities. They would express views that were different from Tudjman's. But Šarinić basically repeated, what the president wanted. At this time, this is a few weeks after Operation Storm, I am, on instructions from my government, I am criticizing Croatia for the human rights abuses that are taking place in the Krajina and insisting that, as a matter of fundamental human rights, the Serbs should have the right to return home and to recover their property. We were also trying to get Croatia to reverse a decision which was to strip the Krajina Serbs of citizenship and to confiscate their property unless they claimed it in 30 days. And of course, nobody was allowed to come back in the 30 days. And so this would have been why I was talking to Šarinić about this issue. And in this conversation in August of '95, he said, well, we cannot expect them to come back. They are a cancer in the stomach of Croatia. And I just thought that was such a shocking metaphor about people who we felt were citizens of the country and had the same rights as other citizens of the country.